Have you ever seen someone moving slowly, almost as if they're walking through water with such calm focus? That gentle, deliberate motion you are observing is very likely Tai Chi walking, which is a foundational piece of the ancient art of Tai Chi. So, let's clearly define what Tai Chi walking actually is in simple terms. Essentially, it is a mindful style of walking that deeply emphasizes good balance, perfect body alignment, and consistent, controlled breathing. This practice comes from Tai Chi, a traditional Chinese discipline that started as a martial art, but is now mainly valued for health and longevity. What sets it apart from your everyday stroll is that every single step is slow, completely intentional, and intimately connected to your current mental state. With this technique, each individual step is meticulously broken down into several very clear, distinct phases. You are first required to shift your body weight completely over to one standing leg before you even think about lifting the other one. The forward-moving foot should contact the surface smoothly, touching down heel first, before it ever rolls gently onto the toes. Throughout the entire motion, your knees should remain just slightly bent, your upper posture upright, and all your muscles relaxed instead of tense. Following this controlled sequence is extremely helpful for dramatically improving overall body stability and coordination over time. Arguably, the single most crucial element of successful Tai Chi walking is maintaining deep mindfulness during the practice. Instead of focusing on simply getting somewhere quickly, your full attention rests on the internal feeling of your body, like your breath and your center of gravity. Your breathing should remain naturally slow and often intentionally synchronized with the rhythm of your alternating steps, which significantly helps in calming the entire nervous system. A very common question we hear is whether or not Tai Chi walking is suitable for new people or for our older population. The simple and resounding answer to that is an emphatic yes, because it is very low impact and exceptionally gentle on all the body's major joints. Because it is so effective at enhancing balance and actively reducing the chance of dangerous falls, it is highly recommended for seniors. Moving on to another frequent inquiry. People want to know specifically what the impressive benefits of this practice might actually be. Physically, you can anticipate notable improvements in your balance, overall posture, leg muscle strength, and general flexibility. On the mental side, this practice actively works to reduce daily stress, sharpen your focus, and cultivate a profound sense of internal peace. Since it skillfully merges gentle physical movement with a meditative state, many participants report significant relief from anxiety and better overall mental clarity. You might also be questioning if you need to purchase any expensive special equipment or find a really huge dedicated practice space. The answer to that concern is a definite no, as you can easily practice this anywhere, whether inside a building or outside in a beautiful park setting. All you truly require for a successful session is just some comfortable attire and a pair of flat, supportive shoes, or honestly, even going barefoot works well. In the most fundamental sense, Tai Chi walking masterfully transforms a completely ordinary action into an incredibly powerful exercise for both your physical body and your mind. Ultimately, it is a wonderful practice that teaches you to move with genuine intention, remain firmly grounded, and discover complete calm even while you are moving, one deliberate step after another.